Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Boxycharm. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's $21, free shipping. I think they ship to Canada as well. For those of you up there, this is my first time getting this box myself personally. I know Nicole used to review it, but obviously she didn't do unboxings. So I'm super excited. Now, I will have to say, I know what's in here. I wanted to get some things done. We're heading out to Niagara tonight. So I wanted to get a bunch of videos done, and I wanted to get some vlogs done before. So I opened this up. I couldn't help myself. It is a great box. $21, $100 in value, 4 to 5 full-size products. So this is not a sampling box. This is a full-size products. You're going to get makeup, mostly makeup. There is skincare. You do take a little survey. I don't know how much that, with beauty boxes, I don't know how much that actually plays into what you receive. There are, I think, 3 different variations each month. It's an incredible box. And just to kind of be fair, I used to get Glossy. You guys remember that. Glossy is a nice box. It's more skincare. If you are more into makeup, this is definitely something that you want to look into. I will link down below to my referral code. I'll also link to my full review. So let's get in here. And you open it up, and it has like eggshell packaging, so everything comes really secure. So your palettes are secure, and there are September spoilers. They're just going to be, what is the name? I keep saying Vulture. It's not Vulture. It's like, I forget the name of it. It's a palette, an eye palette from them. And there's also, or Girlactic, something from Girlactic. I'm not sure. Anyway, you have to check the blog. I did put the spoilers up there. So you get your insert, and this is Life of the Party is the theme. Laura Lee, let's put all controversy aside right now, because we're here to do makeup. That's all. There's like some coupons here, and then they go, so like it's her palette. It was the big spoiler for this box. And then they list each item. They also put retail prices, which is really nice. Our first items are 3 of these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I have not tried these out yet, but they are gold. They have, I forget all this stuff, all sorts of interesting ingredients. Like aloe, I think was one of them. Hold on, let's look at the... hyaluronic acid, white aloe leaf, and all that. So they're $13. So that's nice. That's a nice item. It is skincare though, which is interesting. I was surprised I got skincare. I love skincare. I was surprised by that though. I think everybody got these. I don't remember. I think so. These are House of Lashes. This is the Heartbreaker, I believe. These are Boudoir Mini. They had a whole bunch of different styles. I got the Heartbreaker. I actually really like these. I think they're pretty. I don't wear false lashes a lot, but I always try, and then I'm like, they're not for me. Not for me. These retail for anywhere from 9 to 12. This particular pair retails for 12. So there you have between the 13. What was these? These were 13 and 12. You have the price of the box. So there's that. It's just whether or not you're going to actually use it. So next we have this Odessa, New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment. This is a sweet almond cuticle oil. Now, when you sign up, they ask about nail products if you're interested or not. So that might play into these products. I don't mind getting nail products. I love nail products. Maybe you don't though, and that's okay. We're all different. So here it is, the cuticle oil. I haven't actually used it and haven't smelled it either. It smells like nothing. It doesn't have a smell. Not at all. All right. That retails for $18. So that is very nice. Next we have a Bang Beauty. This is really cool. At first, I'll be honest, I was like, gel eyeliner. I don't really use eyeliner that much. I just don't. I'm not like a cat. I don't do much to my eyes. You guys know that. I do my brows. I put on mascara. Simple. This is all the stuff I do. So this is, though, a 3-in-1. You can use it as an eyeliner. You can use it as a base for your eyeshadow, which is cool, and you can also use it for your brows, and it's like the perfect nice, like a muted brown. It is a little cool, I guess. Cool, is that even, like, you know, not as I don't know. I'm excited to try it though. I have not tried it on my brows yet though. And that retails, hold on. That retails for $22. So that's like a very nice item to have. And you can use it 3 different ways. So if you weren't going to use it the first way. The next thing is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. This is actually really gorgeous. And I do like this. I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow, but I like to have a lot of, is that weird? I like to have a lot of eyeshadow. So there it is. It is, now a lot of people were like, I had seen in some of the groups, people were complaining that it's too bright. It's a Life of the Party palette, okay? Life of the Party. You're going to get big, bold colors like this. And we get, in beauty boxes, you know you always get neutrals. So I thought this was really nice. And I'm not going to speak to any of the controversy surrounding Laura Lee. I have watched her videos before. She does good makeup. I will say that. I will talk about these eyeshadows, though. I don't like the names. I think that they're a little, especially when you have young girls following you, and you're a role model, I think that you should keep it classy. So there's this yellow here. I think, so there are 4 mattes. One, they're calling this pink bottoms up color a matte with glitter, but I think it's more, to me, I think a shimmer. And then this one here is an iridescent, and it looks navy blue in the pan. It's violet, though. It's gorgeous. So this here is a party. I'm actually gonna, This is called Damage Control. That's a pretty, like a teal. I love this color here, but it's a little chalky. This is Karaoke. And I don't know if you can see here. Let me. You see how it, I don't know. It doesn't, it's just patchy. Anyway, then there's this beautiful orange color called Dranks. And you guys know I love orange. This is actually really pretty. And you don't see a lot of orange like this, like a bright orange. So there's that. Then there's this. This is called Bottoms Up. This is the pink with glitter. It's really pretty, but I would not call that a matte. I guess it doesn't look matte though on the eye. And then finally, let's do this one. This is called Hungover. This is pretty. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? All right, I'm going to pause this so I can wipe my hands off. Okay, so that is this palette. This retails for $19. You get 6 shadows. It is a nice, it's a nice item to receive. And then finally, this was, everybody got a Smashbox lip product. The different products varied. I did see when I signed up that I liked liquid lips. So this is the Always On liquid lipstick in Stay Neutral, I think is the name. Stay Neutral. I love this color. I like nude lips. So this actually retails, I think, for $24. So here's your, I'm going to swatch it, but I don't really want to because it's not going to come off. So there it is. It's just a simple, nice nude lip. And it's really cool. So that's everything that I received in my Boxycharm. I love this box. What do you think? Do any of you guys get Boxy? If you do, which variation did you get? What other products did you get? What would you have liked to get? What do you want to see in future boxes? I want to know your thoughts. Let me know down below. I will link to my full review. I'll also link to Boxycharm with my referral, so you can check them out if you're interested. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.